The best part of pork to pot roast is the back leg. Ingredients: hot peppers, garlic, ginger, thyme, scallion, onion, sweet pepper. This is Jamaican chocolate pepper. It's hot, but not seasoning. Pat dry pork after washing with vinegar and water solution. This is the health inspector's stamp. It is perfectly safe. I am using spices. Do not use spices if you don't want to, but I am using a variety of spices. This is one of the stars of the show, ground pimento. Seasoned pork with salt. Seasoned pork with blended spices. Stuffed pork with ginger and garlic. Cover and marinate for at least 2 hours. Add 2 teaspoons vegetable oil. Make sure heat is on low. Remove garlic and ginger used to stuffed pork. Put the pork into the hot oil and brown both sides of the pork. Heat should be on low. Pour ½ cup of water into the pot. Cover the pot and cook pork for 1 hour on medium heat. Keep adding ½ cup water for 1 hour as needed. After an hour, turn pork. Add ½ cup water, cover, and cook for another hour, adding ½ cup water as needed. The cooking time depends on the thickness and texture of the pork. Add the seasoning, ½ cup of water, a little bit of ketchup. Simmer until gravy thickens somewhat. This is Jamaican authentic pot roast pork. Subscribe to the channel if you want the real rustic Jamaican food with no international fusion.